So this is how you can invite friends on Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Monopoly Go. Today you will learn how to invite your friends. Let's go ahead and open the app. And as you can see, I'm on my board right now. And at the bottom right, there is a tab that says friends. Go ahead and click that. And at the bottom, there's contacts, Facebook, and invite. Now, if you tap on contacts, it will connect you to all your friends in your contacts, the phone numbers that you've saved. If they have Monopoly Go, then you're going to be able to be friends. Now, if you tap on Facebook, the same thing will happen. If your Facebook friends have Monopoly Go, you can go ahead and connect with them and then play with them. Now, if you tap on invite, you can actually invite anyone. It doesn't have to be a Facebook friend or a contact number. You can go ahead and tap on invite and then copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can go ahead and share it to anyone you know, and then they'll be able to play the game. And you will invite them, and in fact, you will actually get rewards for inviting people. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just share the link to them, and they'll be able to play as your friend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.